We're about to try and fit a set of P-TEC radiator guards to this previously bent Sherco radiator. We're going to have a go at trying to straighten it out enough so that we can actually put the P-TEC guards over the top of the bent radiator. Sometimes it's never too late to fit a set of radiator guards. The guards can fit over the top and straighten things back out for you. We're just going to try and pull this radiator. That's actually tweaking that side. Okay. We're just draining the coolant, so because we have to pull the radiators off. Updates for 23 include a new scallop section for the new coil that was fitted to the 23 Sherco, and we now also include larger spaces for the left hand side to give more clearance to this particular radiator hose. This side radiator was a little bit tweaked on this side, but just by putting it in and tightening the bolts up to the rad guard, it's managed to actually pull the radiator straight. So we're going to have to try and twist this radiator so that it sits parallel with the radiator guard, otherwise we won't be able to get any of the mounting hardware back in. Secured the bottom tank in the vise, and we're just going to twist the radiator very slightly to get rid of the kink. We're in, Bez, we're in. So here we are, we've fitted up the radiator guard. We've managed to unbend the radiator enough so it sits squarely in the guard, and we've now created clearance on the power valve cover, whereas before the radiator was actually touching the power valve cover.